In this video, we will define the images section within the setup sheet template. Inside SolidCAM, customer can capture for setup sheet as many images as he needs from within the CAD environment. In order to do so, we need to go right-click on our CAM part, setup sheet, and then capture image. For example, we can call this image isometric view. Once we do this, we can go and click OK, and we can see that the image has been captured and saved successfully. The image has been saved within the doc folder of the CAM part folder. So if we go there, we can go and open our folder here. We can see that we have isometric view, as well as we have front view and side view already prepared. These images can be automatically taken and printed within the final document. So let's go and do this. We'll go back to our setup sheet add-in, and here we have our images section. As we can see here, we have our header for the whole section, as we did for the setup section and operation list and also tool list. And also we have a range that's repeating for each image, which is this one. So let's go on our worksheet template, define a new page, since we want to start with a page break. And on the new page, we will say we want a new section. Let's call under general here, this section has images section. And for our section purpose, we will pick here picture data, which is number 4. This will pre-select our indexes, and based on these indexes, we will repeat this range here that we are going to set now, and repeat this range here as many times as we have pictures. So let's go and confirm. And now here we have, for example, image 1. We can say and search, for example, for the index. And under picture data, we can go here, we have index. We can copy the name. We can say this is under a string. We can say equal. And we'll combine it with our index. Also, we can go and search for a name, for example, and go down. So our picture has a name here, which we can extract and place here. But in order to do so, we need to use some TS functions, which we will cover in the next videos. Next thing to do is just to put here an image, which will be this one. Let's just go and copy the formula and paste it here. We can see that the picture is on the bottom. Let's go and put it to be in the center and just go and at this point run a full test. As you can see, it is following our structure again, tools, operations, setups, and at the end we have images section. So let's see what we've done here. So we can close our setup sheet manager, go down. Here we have setups, and then on the next page, since we have a page break, we have image 1, image 2, image 3. All of the images are printed here. But as you can see, we've missed our header. So we can simply go back to our setup sheet manager, say we want to use a header, say true, and for our header, we will pick only the images and run a full test. Now, this should be the complete definition of our images section. Let's see, we can close our source data, our setup sheet manager. Once we go down, we have the setup section, and here we have our images here shown. And we have our image 1, image 2, image 3. Thanks for watching this video, and see you in the next one.